Alright, cotton stripping at its finest. Beautiful Wall, Texas. And here this guy is just stripping the cotton. That's what's happening here. And it's gonna go up into the back end of his truck. There's this dust coming towards us now. What that dust is, that's a mix of about 3 things. There's the exhaust from the diesel exhaust from this truck. And then there's some lint, some cotton lint. And then that flew out. And then there is some dust from this dirt. There's so much dirt here.